Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025 through freelance design gigs. The world of design is changing rapidly, and today we'll explore two cutting-edge tools, Canva AI and Adobe Firefly. Canva AI offers an intuitive platform for designers of all levels. With features like smart layout recommendations and an extensive library of assets, it empowers creators to produce stunning graphics quickly and efficiently. Adobe Firefly is packed with unique tools like AI-generated graphics, making it perfect for creative projects. It allows for extraordinary customization and utilizes the latest AI technology to enhance your designs. When it comes to user interfaces, Canva AI features a clean and organized layout, while Adobe Firefly has a more complex interface catering to advanced users. Each has its strengths depending on user needs. Both platforms offer various pricing models. Canva AI has a freemium model that's accessible to many, while Adobe Firefly operates on subscription-based pricing, which may be beneficial for dedicated professionals. In 2025, AI capabilities are a game changer. Both Canva AI and Adobe Firefly leverage automation to enhance user creativity, making design processes faster and more enjoyable. Collaboration is key in design. Canva AI offers real-time editing for team projects, whereas Adobe Firefly focuses on powerful asset sharing and project management features. Canva AI is perfect for beginners and small businesses, while Adobe Firefly caters to professional designers and agencies. Understanding your audience is essential for success. Inspiring success stories come from both platforms. Many designers have turned their skills into thriving businesses, thanks to the easy-to-use features of Canva AI and the powerful tools in Adobe Firefly. If you're an aspiring freelance designer, consider your goals, skill level, and the type of projects you want to undertake. Choose the platform that aligns best with your vision for a successful creative career.